Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in your arms, baby.
I'm watching one of my videos. I talk about all things photo booth or photography related. Today I'm going to talk about how to legally start your photo booth business. So I'm just going to jump into it. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to figure out what kind of business structure you want to have. So there are three main types, kind of four. There's three. The one is a sole proprietorship. Second is an incorporation, and the third is an LLC. The fourth, which is that goes with number three, is a sole LLC. An LLC means two people can own it, and then a sole LLC means just one person owns it. So that's the only difference between those two. So when deciding what kind of business structure you want to have, you're going to want to do a lot of research into this. This deals with your taxes. The reason why you need to pick a business structure is because it's going to determine how you're going to file your taxes in the end of the year. I am not a professional in accounting or with taxes at all, so I cannot really tell you which business structure to pick, but I will tell you which one I did. It was a sole proprietorship. So I picked a sole proprietorship because I only have one booth. I'm not going to be making I did not make a large amount of money in a year. I made less than $100,000. I've heard many people say change your license if you're going to make over $100,000, but that was just that person's opinion. Again, I am not an accountant. That person that said that was not an accountant either. So it really just depends how you plan to run your business and how big you plan for it to be within that year, because you renew your business license every year. So look into that. There's a lot of resources online that advise you which business structure to pick, or there's a lot of things online that tell you what exactly each business structure is. So after you figure out which business structure suits you the best, you're going to register your business with your state. So you are going to do that by going onto your state website, and every state website ends with .gov. So I live in Alaska. Ours is alaska.gov. I don't know if every state is like california.gov or new.york.gov. I'm not sure what every state's website is, but ours is alaska.gov. Make sure you go to the .gov website, because there are a lot of scams online that are .com, .net in the end, and you pay the fee to make a business license, and they give you a business license, a certificate, and it's not actually a business license because it's not through the government website, and you just got scammed $50, $25, whatever it is, because you thought that was the legit website. It's really simple to find how to register your business license. You can do it all online. So you go to your government website, search up business licensing, and then there should be a tab or a link that says get your business license now, and it takes 5 to 10 minutes if you have all of your information handy with you, and then you'll get your business license generated right there on the spot, and you can save it on your computer and print it, and then you can also request for a hard copy officially from the state. Ours in Alaska, there's a fee, so I don't know if it's the same for everywhere, but you get your business license automatically. After you get your business, what I recommend highly is to go make a bank account right away. And when you go to make your bank account, you're going to need your business license and your social security number, or if you did an LLC, you're going to need your business license and the EIN letter, the CP 575, I believe, letter. You make your bank account. And then you'll also need your professional license with your state if you did an LLC. So make sure that you have all of those papers. If you go to your bank, you can request for what's required for a business license, and then they'll list out what kind of papers you need to bring when making your business account. The reason why I say to make a business account right away, right off the bat, is because in your first year of doing business, you are most likely not going to make much money. So when you file taxes, you're going to want to have a bank account that has all of the expenses that you had that year handy, because you're going to need to prove that it went through. You paid this with that receipt for that, and then it can be tax deductible so that you're not going to pay a lot of money. The reason why I think is really important, especially with the photo booth business, is because the photo booth itself is so expensive. The equipment that you need to start it, to get it started, is really expensive, like the backdrops, the stands, the props. It really adds up. So make sure that you make that separate business account right away, so that you don't so that you can do your taxes very smoothly at the end of the year. But after that, after you have your business license and then you have your business account and you're registered and everything in every way that you need to be, you're set to go forth and start booking and making some income. It's really that simple. I hope that helped a lot. If you want more advice on why I picked a sole proprietorship, I can make another video as to why I did that. But thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped. I will see you guys in the next video.